Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where and how to change our ringtone in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our ringtone, we will have to go to Options, Settings here. Then we have to go a little bit down until we have this Sounds and Vibration. And here we have ringtone options. By default, it's this one, but we can change to what we want from this list right here. Moreover, we can change volume of our ringtone, and it's changed now for this one here. That's simply it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.